How to create a Google Ads account. So first, what you need to do is just simply open up your browser, then search for Google Ads here on the search bar. After that, click on the first link right here, and it will bring you here on the website of Google Ads. And once you're here, you just simply need to either click on the Start Now option here at the top right, or just simply click on the Start Now here on the middle. So it's basically the same. I'm just going to click this one in the middle and just wait for it to load. And once it's done loading, it will immediately bring you right here on this page where we'd want to skip this part since we just want to create an account and we don't want to create our campaign. So you just simply need to click anywhere on the screens to remove that pop-up. And now you just simply need to type in your username, so it's optional. And you could also put your website right here, enter the page URL. So I'm just going to paste my website right there. Then I'm going to click next. Now, once it's done reviewing, it will bring you right here where you could link your YouTube account. And you could also link your mobile app, your Google Business profile, or your phone number, or you could either skip it right here. So I'm just going to skip it, or if you want to do it, it's up to you. But for me, I'm just going to walk you through on how to create an account. And you could also do this after creating your account. So I'm just going to skip it right here, skip, and just wait for it to load. So if the loading screen takes too long, or if the loading part of this takes too long, you can just simply skip it again. You could do it later anyway. So now skip it again right here, and this pops up, which will leave the campaign creation. So just simply click on leave campaign creation like that, and it will bring you right here to confirm your account settings. So once you're here, what you need to do is just simply fill out all of these options. Usually it is already filled out for you based on your time zone on your device. But if you want to change it, let's say your business is on another country or another place, you could change it to match, of course, the time zone and the currency. You just simply need to click on the drop down menu right here and select the country, your billing country. For me, I'm gonna leave it like that since it's all correct for me. So I'm gonna click on continue and wait for it to load. After that, it will bring you right here, and unfortunately, you cannot skip this page. You will need to put your payment method and your payment settings right here, and you just simply need to click on no after you've put your methods and everything. But you could also click on yes. It's up to you if you want personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist. But for me, I'm gonna go with no. So I've changed my payment method to a credit or debit card so that I could set the payment setting to automatic payment since my other payment method doesn't work for automatic payment. So I've just set it to my credit or debit card. And as you can see right here, it says that you'll see a temporary authorization on your card, which is just a common practice to ensure that there are sufficient funds on your account. So just click on submit after that and just wait for it to load. And boom, as you can see, my account has been created. And just simply click on continue. And this will pop up. So you just simply need to answer it. So is your organization an advertising agency? So for me is no. And who pays for your ads? I'm going to click on yes here. And it will, of course, vary on who's answering this. So if it's for you, you might have your organization on an advertising agency, and there might be also an agency that pays and invoices you for the ads and stuff. So just simply pick what's applicable for you, and after that, just simply click on save and continue, and wait for it to load again, and it will bring you right here on the page, and that is basically it.